Hello, everybody. Welcome to XM Live Trading Session in the Advanced Room. It's time for Opportunity Hunters with Habib Akiki, and my name is Junaid Vahid. Before we start talk about the markets and trades, I would like to say a huge hello again. Habib, how are you?
Hi, Juni. Always good to be with you in these sessions. I'm doing great. Ended my holiday earlier last week, and I'm back. Unfortunately, the markets seems to be slow at the moment. The holiday started in Europe, and markets are still relatively calm. Probably waiting maybe for the data on Friday to have some
Yes.
action, to see some action. How are you? Tell me. How's
All
trading?
great. After last week's central banks enjoying some good moves, did predict some good trades traded, and now looking forward for more volatility. NFP will bring probably more volatility. And yeah, meanwhile, trading price action, kind of most of trades are swing trades that I have. Still running from couple of days, closing, opening again. I can say we are very active in trading. So yeah, currently everything it's nice and more or less as expected, I can say.
Yeah, yeah. What are you trading? What are you focusing on?
I'm focusing on right now. I have Nasdaq, which I'm trading for third week in a row here, the same levels. Um, Gold short, it's not here on this, but I'm gonna trade it again here with this account. Euro dollar short from the highs, and we'll probably add more shorts here. Um, I am bullish on oil, very bullish, but many trades I did close here, and I'm waiting for pullback to buy again. Dollar
Nice.
Canadian dollar, I was having very nice short, took this wave down, but price rejected back, and now it turned its direction. It looks extremely bullish at this point. Basically, dollar oriented, a little bit crypto. I have two sells on Bitcoin, two short that are running for quite some time. Just the market was stuck here. And commodities I already mentioned. I have um, also commodity analysis like natural gas. I will also trade. Maybe wheat. I will also trade. Those are the instruments that I'm keeping an eye. Basically, keeping an eye on a lot of instruments. Just trading mostly majors.
Very, very active you've been, huh?
Yes.
Interested to know more about the targets for oil. Where are you targeting?
I think
Uh,
that we are getting into big bullish cycle. Targets are around 90s, 100, 95, maybe even higher. Basically, I think that, well, this
Current
is
resistances are not scaring you, huh?
this current one.
Oh yeah, I mean the 82
Well,
level,
those
83
resistances,
level.
yes, I see them as a good point for a good moment for a pullback. And since I'm waiting pullback to enter, those resistances can help a little bit for
Mm-hmm.
profit taking, adjusting the market trend, and buying the dip. I am looking to buy the pullback on oil.
Mm-hmm.
The thing is that market may not make a expected pullback from this current level of resistance. If it breaks, then I will use different technique to enter, breakout entry, maybe with build up, maybe with pullback, depends on how it's going to break. But
Yeah.
definitely I like to buy the oil. If it's going to rally after the breakout and then it's going to pull back, so I will join. Or if it's going to be from the current levels, the easiest, and for me will be the best, but still I will be very bullish. The targets are going to be really opened. The thing is that I have two strategies that I can use here. Hold on, just try to survive every obstacle there, or better one is just catching the swings, getting out from the swings, waiting for a pullback, getting the next swing. So basically riding the all the waves.
Mm-hmm.
Or if I want boring trading, just buy on the pullback and wait for really massive reversal pattern and supported by major fundamentals, which I don't think is going to happen soon, maybe only short term.
You never know. You never know.
Well, I'm
Uh,
confident, but yeah, you never know.
I'm waiting for a pullback as well towards the 79.80 zone. I'll be monitoring oil around these levels, interesting levels to buy. But I'm also a little bit, I mean, attentive. I'll be a little bit attentive around the 83 zone because the market prices couldn't break this level for quite a while now. So we'll monitor it carefully there. Might so if the pullback happened before we reach the 83 zone, I will go long around the uh, 79 level, and then hopefully we'll close around 83 and then open again, trying to catch several swings along the way.
Very strange that I had oil price enter here, you see, but there is
Mm-hmm.
no close price. It doesn't exist here. I think I bought it yesterday. Did actually what happened? I don't know. Trade level disappeared? No. So something very strange happened.
That is weird. Yes,
Yeah,
that
I
is
I
weird.
have those small trades here, but this long actually disappeared somehow.
Maybe you are still long.
No, no, I don't have it here. I don't have the trade here. I have energy trades, but not oil. So strange.
Okay. It will show up. No worries.
Yes, probably didn't show up. So yeah, oil looking, I'm very bullish. I just want to see big retracement. So nice retracement from the current area. For me, it's not one level. Uh,
Oh yeah, definitely.
already in the resistance zone for me, and from those levels, if it makes a pullback, I'm really interested to buy. If it makes a pullback from higher levels, anyways, any pullback for me is good for long. Just the breakout will be a different talk then. So it depends which one will be the first one. And
All
yeah,
right. For
so
oil, any dip we go long.
yes,
Any dip we use it as an opportunity to enter a new long position.
yes.
Gold. Gold. Where are your targets at gold?
Um, Let me show from our previous talks, like weeks ago. It's gonna be easier for me to explain the whole picture. Everything is the same by the book for me. I am doing my analysis and currently following it.
Mm-hmm.
We were buying here, I very well remember a long time ago. We managed to catch this move. Then I closed the position, and on this slightly pullback, it was 1945 pullback expectation 95, 1945, sorry, buy entry, which was I was late for here and took it here, squeeze it here. Then we started to sell, and right now we are somewhere here. So this move happened to the downside. I'm waiting for this cycle to the upside. So I expect gold higher high. But before that, we are somewhere here, still developing the bearish wave down. And I'll keep an eye from the lower levels somewhere at this zone, which is 19.
We already entered the zone of the wave four of the previous fourth wave. So
Well,
interesting.
I have a bearish local chart pattern for sell, head and shoulder, which is developing. And it's short-term sell that I took just a couple of minutes ago during our session, very short-term, like intraday maybe. If this drops a little bit down, I'll be looking to buy. It doesn't
Mm-hmm.
matter what is going to be the reversal pattern. I drew it time ago like a double bottom because it's the easiest way, but
Yeah,
not
yeah, yeah.
necessarily that's going to be a double bottom. So it could be some choppiness, some spike down. Anything is possible, depends on the volatility. We don't have a lot of drama, let's say, that may increase the emotions, but you never know, as you said. And from here, I will be aiming for higher high. And here, everybody, bullish traders will fall in a trap to buy that all-time high comes and so on and so on. I will be looking to close the profits and sell for big lower low on gold. Which lower low, it's not necessarily this zone. It could extend, depends on dynamics. It could respect the previous structure low. Cycle-wise, I will go for it, and then I will aim for all-time high. All-time high, I think, could happen this year or next year. Depends on dynamics again. It's a long-term vision, but currently, since here, like managed to squeeze major waves, of course, with a lot of stop losses until I catch the waves there. But basically, everything is currently working by the book, by the expectations. Whereas my target is going to be the buy zone, maybe lower, maybe higher, but that's the average target I'll go for technical support.
That's a
Then I'll
great
go for,
level. Yes.
yes, then I'll go for higher high, and means I will be looking for buying. Then I'll be looking for selling, contrary on those breakout buyers here. And this time I will be looking for a false breakout big short, similar to this entire wave, probably big wave down. If like currently this is the scenario and plan, if something changes over time, I am adapting. Like I'm immediately
I
changing
know. I know. I know.
because it's a kind of something that might invalidate my vision and expectations. I have to immediately jump there. And from here, like this is a big zone for me to look for big reversals. Market can fall down to 1800 technically. Fundamentally, the only thing that can make this price goes down, it's very strong dollar short term. I don't expect dollar to be strong long term, but short term, Fed might increase interest rates, or the data that we are expecting, NFP, the next CPI, and all others might really look like Fed might increase interest rates next time again. The reason for that is last inflation was red. Because of the base effect, we can get higher inflation August data, which is going to increase emotions on the market. That will put some heat and fire, and market may start buying dollar because expectations Fed increase interest rates another 25 basis points may rise, and stronger labor market may also add an additional fuel to that, and dollar may get locally strong. So we may easily have some higher volatility there, which can fill the expected cycles. It's just scenario how I connect it. And then I don't think something can stop gold, especially for the bigger picture. And my inflation expectations are very kind of matching my gold all-time high expectations at this point. And there's no bearish fundamentals for gold. The only bad fundamentals that may drive gold price down, as I said, is
Strong dollar.
strong dollar.
Extra.
Yeah.
Very strong dollar. Yes.
So that's it. I don't expect dollar to be very strong for a very long time. It could be very strong, but I think it's going to be short-lived. Um, I don't expect gold to go down here and break those lows and stuff like this, as many people
I
analyze
like the
this as
wave
a,
count. I like the
yeah.
wave count map that you drew, the chart where you drew all the wave count. Even if we are talking about several waves ahead, and many times with Elliot, we have to change our outlook and change the levels sometimes. But I see it as a very, very good roadmap for
Yeah.
what's gonna come ahead. It allows the trader to stay focused on his outlook and don't get confused sometimes with the volatility in the market. As long as we
Basically,
can adapt, like you said, I like it. I like it.
basically, I have every screenshot and even deepen articles written with fundamentals, with everything since these bottoms. This was the short squeeze for gold. We rallied all the way up, catch it. This is all screenshot.
This was the easy move, huh? Now the correction started, and now we
Yeah,
go into the zigzags and all the
uh,
different variations of the corrections. So for
yes,
that
but
reason, I'm personally I'm not a fan of very long term prediction or very long term outlook. But I like it because it helps you stay focused and know how to adapt.
yeah, it's actually all started with the super cycle, and it's very easy even to predict long term because those wave counting, it's not just pure head and shoulder pattern. It basically represents the market emotions through the news that we have every single month, the same time, the same week, the same way. And the emotions just more or less have the same effect on the market. We have NFP the same Friday, first Friday of every month.